Double-hung windows are a popular choice for Clearwater homeowners, offering timeless design, energy efficiency, and excellent ventilation. However, living in a coastal environment means your windows are exposed to challenges like salty air, humidity, and sand. Proper cleaning and maintenance are essential to keep your double-hung windows looking great and functioning smoothly for years to come. Here's a complete guide to cleaning and maintaining your double-hung windows in Clearwater's unique coastal climate. Regular cleaning to combat salt and debris. Salt from the ocean air and airborne debris can accumulate on your windows, causing streaks, corrosion, and wear over time. Cleaning your windows regularly is the first step in maintaining their beauty and performance. Steps for effective cleaning. Rinse first. Use a garden hose or a bucket of fresh water to rinse away loose dirt, sand, and salt from the glass and frames. Mild soap solution. Mix warm water with a few drops of mild dish soap. Avoid harsh chemicals that can damage glass coatings or frame finishes. Clean the glass. Use a soft microfiber cloth or sponge to clean the glass in circular motions, focusing on any stubborn spots. Rinse thoroughly. Rinse with clean water to remove any soap residue. Dry completely. Use a squeegee or lint-free cloth to dry the glass and frames, preventing water spots. Regular cleaning not only improves the appearance of your windows but also protects them from the corrosive effects of salt air. Inspect and maintain window frame. In Clearwater's humid climate, window frames are vulnerable to wear and tear. Regular inspections and maintenance can help identify and address potential issues before they become serious. Frame maintenance tips. Vinyl frames. Wipe down with a damp cloth and soapy water to remove dirt and salt. Avoid abrasive tools that can scratch the surface. Wood frames. Inspect for signs of rot or peeling paint. Sand and repaint or reseal is needed to protect against moisture. Aluminum frames. Check for signs of corrosion or rust. Clean with a mild soap solution and apply a protective wax or sealant. Fiberglass frames. Simply clean with soapy water and inspect for cracks or damage. Maintaining your window frames ensures they remain durable and visually appealing in Clearwater's coastal environment. Clean and lubricate tracks and sashes. The operability of double-hung windows depends on clean and well-maintained tracks and sashes. Dust, sand, and salt buildup can cause sticking or difficulty opening and closing the windows. Steps for cleaning tracks and sashes. Vacuum debris. Use a small vacuum attachment to remove loose dirt, sand, and debris from the tracks. Wipe down tracks. Dampen a cloth with soapy water and clean the tracks thoroughly, removing any grime or salt buildup. Dry completely. Ensure the tracks are completely dry to prevent rust or additional buildup. Lubricate moving parts. Apply a silicone-based lubricant to the tracks, pulleys, and locking mechanisms to ensure smooth operation. Regular care for tracks and sashes will keep your windows operating like new. Check and replace weather stripping. Weather stripping plays a vital role in sealing your windows against drafts, moisture, and salt intrusion. Over time, it can wear out or become damaged, reducing the energy efficiency and protection of your windows. Weather stripping maintenance tips. Inspect regularly. Look for cracks, peeling, or gaps in the weather stripping around your double-hung windows. Clean gently. Wipe down the weather stripping with a damp cloth to remove dirt and debris. Replace as needed. If you notice significant wear or damage, replace the weather stripping with high-quality, weather-resistant materials. Keeping weather stripping in good condition ensures your windows remain energy efficient and weather-tight. Protect against coastal wear. Clearwater's coastal climate can accelerate wear on your windows. Taking preventative measures can help extend their lifespan and maintain their performance. Protective measures. Apply protective coatings. Use a UV-resistant spray or wax on window frames to protect against sun damage and salt corrosion. Install storm shutters. During hurricane season, protect your windows from flying debris and high winds with storm shutters or panels. Choose impact-resistant glass. Consider upgrading to double-hung windows with hurricane-rated, impact-resistant glass for added durability. These steps will help your windows withstand Clearwater's challenging coastal conditions. Schedule regular professional inspection. While regular cleaning and maintenance are important, scheduling professional inspections can ensure your double-hung windows remain in optimal condition. Benefits of professional inspections. Thorough assessment. Experts can identify issues like hidden rot, seal failures, or hardware problems that may go unnoticed. Timely repairs. Early detection of potential issues prevents costly repairs or replacements down the line. Expert guidance. Professionals can recommend upgrades or solutions tailored to Clearwater's climate, such as energy-efficient glass or enhanced weatherproofing. Regular professional care ensures your windows are always performing at their best. Conclusion. Maintaining your double-hung windows in Clearwater's coastal climate requires consistent care and attention. From regular cleaning to inspecting frames, tracks, and weather stripping, these steps will keep your windows looking great and operating smoothly for years to come. For expert assistance or to upgrade your windows with durable, energy-efficient options, contact a trusted window professional in Clearwater today. With the right maintenance and support, your double-hung windows can continue to enhance your home's beauty, comfort, and functionality.